have the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, and I'll be showing you how to create shortcuts in the quick panel of your watch. Okay, so if there's something you want to access quickly, then you can always go ahead and add it in the quick panel. So what you want to do is simply go to the quick panel by swiping down, and then go to the extreme end and tap on the plus icon. And then now you'll notice you can add and remove items from the quick panel. So let's say you want to turn mobile data on and off quickly. You can actually add this to the quick panel. Just tap on the plus icon and mobile data option is going to get added. So now when you go back, and now when you try to swipe and then look for the quick panels, you will see the mobile data icon, and you can tap on it to enable and disable mobile data quickly. You can do the same for other things. Let's say, for instance, you want to add the Bluetooth icon. If you find yourself turning Bluetooth on and off often, instead of going the long way through the settings, you can just add it to the quick panel, and then you can easily turn Bluetooth on and off from the quick panel. Simple as that. And that's basically how to add shortcuts to your most used functions in the quick panel of your Galaxy Watch Ultra. Thank you for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.